Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You start by identifying the claim precisely. Open the Content Management or Copyright tab and note the claimant, track name, claim type, and exact timestamps. Once done, export or download a backup of your original project and the rendered video so you can revert if needed. Make sure to assemble evidence next, license files, receipt emails, or a signed permission note, because you will need these documents when disputing, editing, or replacing the audio to prove your rights to use the material. Now, open your project in an editor and locate the claimed music segments at the noted timestamps. Either remove the music track, apply a precise audio duck or EQ notch to minimize the copyrighted element, or replace it with a licensed, royalty-free alternative. When swapping tracks, match tempo and energy so the edit feels natural. Export an audio stem and then a new video file with corrected metadata and recommended loudness, like -14 LUFS for streaming. Keep the original timestamps and notes handy for your dispute message. Finally, submit your resolution. Either upload the revised video and replace the original or file a dispute with the platform, attaching timestamped evidence and license documents, and explaining the edit you performed. Once submitted, monitor the claim status and respond promptly to platform messages. If the automated system still flags the audio, request a human review or escalate to support and include your project files and license details. Troubleshooting tip: if you get repeated false matches, record a short video demonstrating the audio differences and ask for manual review.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.